Okay, so now I'll be discussing hemophilia, and generally speaking, hemophilia is an inherited bleeding disorder resulting from decreased or reduced activity of coagulation proteins. There are three different types. There's hemophilia A, B, and C. Hemophilia A is the most common type and was the first type discovered. Therefore, it's also known as classic hemophilia or factor VIII deficiency. Hemophilia B is the second most common type and is referred to as Christmas disease or factor IX deficiency. Hemophilia C is the most rare form and can be referred to as a plasma thromboplastin antecedent or factor XI deficiency. Hemophilia inheritance pattern for both A and B are considered X-linked recessive patterns. And again, remembering that with X-linked recessive inheritance, the males are the primary ones affected by the disease or disorder, and the females are considered the carriers of the mutated gene. Hemophilia C, on the other hand, can be inherited by either autosomal recessive or autosomal dominant patterns. When it comes to incidence, hemophilia A is the most common type and occurs 1 in 4,000 to 5,000 male births, whereas hemophilia B, which is the second most common type, occurs 1 in every 20,000 male births. And hemophilia C, again, is the most rare type and occurs 1 in 1 million people. And again, here, hemophilia C is expressed, the incidence is expressed by how many people it affects because it's autosomal, not sex-linked. So it's affecting both males and females. So with hemophilia A, there is a deficiency in the coagulation protein factor VIII, whereas in hemophilia B, the deficiency is in the coagulation factor IX, and with hemophilia C, it's the coagulation factor XI that is deficient. And the mutated genes are as follows. So with hemophilia A, the F8 gene is the one that's mutated, whereas in hemophilia B, it's the F9 gene that carries the mutation, and in hemophilia C, it's the F11 gene that is mutated. And ultimately, the mutations in the F8, F9, or F11 gene result in either abnormal production of clotting proteins or factors, and these factors are necessary for blood clotting and play a huge role in the clotting cascade.